Creole Bean Chowder. Yield 8 servings. 1 pound dry red beans, 8 cups water, 1 cup grated carrots, 1 cup finely chopped onion, 1 No. 2 can tomato puree, 2 teaspoons sugar, 4 whole cloves. 1/2 teaspoon pepper, 3 cups water, 1 No. 2 can okra, 1 cup finely chopped celery, 1 tablespoon salt, 4 tablespoons vinegar, 1/2 teaspoon tabasco sauce, 1/2 cup margarine, 1/2 teaspoon chili powder. Wash beans well. Place in large utensil with lid. Cover with the 8 cups water, soak overnight. Cook covered until tender, about 3 hours. Drain and save liquid. Then run beans through ricer or foley mill. Return to liquid and add all other ingredients. Cover and simmer for 1 hour. If desired, 5 minutes before serving, add 3 franks sliced very thin and diagonally. Serve with parmesan wafers. See recipe below. Menu suggestion. To prepare parmesan wafers, mix together 1/4 cup parmesan cheese, 1/2 teaspoon garlic salt, and just enough soft butter to spread. Cover townhouse crackers with a generous amount of this spread and place on a cookie sheet. Broil until bubbly and well browned, about 6 minutes at 350 degrees Fahrenheit. Serve piping hot. Creole bean chowder is so delicious and filling that it can be used for the main dish of the meal, if complemented by a salad and dessert. Try serving it with creamy coleslaw and delicious pecan pie.